Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Petrie and this is my project on BetterHelp. So BetterHelp is an online therapy service. So you just sign up online, fill out a questionnaire, and you get contacted by a therapist who can help you with anything you might be going through. You can call on the phone, you can do Zoom, like a live video, or just text, anything like that. And it's priced at around $60 to $90 per week, and it's completely online. So next is the how is BetterHelp used in psychology? BetterHelp is used in psychology as a platform for therapists to practice their work anywhere. They can be in another whole other state, and you can be right here in Florida and still use them. And I just find that really cool. You know, if you're struggling, you can just sign up and see how it goes. It's an easy way to get help. You know, you don't have to leave your house. If you're like nervous about it or anything, I think that would help your nerves a little if you're just at home or in your room. And I just think it's an amazing platform for people with that profession, which I hope to pursue one day, to just do it online and have patients from around the country. Next up is the demonstration. So, as I said before in the beginning, you're required to answer some questions just about how you're feeling and what you're going through and what your goals are in the end. So you can't actually make an account without paying upfront $320 first, which is annoying if you are on a tight budget, but they do have a financial aid. So there's the website link at the bottom, and then here is what the website looks like. So as you can see, you choose. So for me, I would choose individual for myself, and I identify as a woman. So I'd select my age, and I just put whatever. It just goes through everything, and you just are able to get your correct therapist, someone who can relate to you in a way and may have also gone through similar experiences, which is cool. So next up is the conclusion. The conclusion, I put that it's a great way to get a therapist. You can do it from anywhere you'd like. It doesn't only have to be people in your area. You know, I think that's cool if you can't find one in your area. I know it's hard to find a therapist. And it's just easy for people with busier schedules to find time when they're just at home, you know, rather than going to an office or something. The only con I have would be the price. And last up is the credits. The first one is just the BetterHelp website, and then the next one is for the pictures that I used. Thank you.